Alright, for moving this side panel here, it goes up behind the glove box up here. So even though it technically doesn't, it just, yeah, I shouldn't say it goes behind it. It just gets very close, and it's a lot easier to get your hands in here and everything and deal with it if the glove box door is open. So this section has to be pulled up. Of course, I'm doing a terrible job showing it. Up this way, and you'll continue to pull up until you get to about this point, and then you will need to pull toward yourself, toward the seats, and that will pop it towards you and remove it then from this section, because it gets really tight up in here as well. You kind of want to come down slightly as you're pulling it out. Okay, so now that you got the side panel out, you can see how it snaps in place. All these little white retainers, they're just pressure fit clips. So that's what holds that panel in place right there. Okay, so once you get the side panel off here, all I'm going to do is, this is all pressure fit, so literally it's just pull upward and it pops. It's just the same thing all the way around. It's a little bit scary, but you'll be fine. It won't break. There we go, like so. Alright, so here we are with the shift bezel removed. And here you can see you have access to the shifter and the shift cable. And my cable was broken just past the shifter here. On the other side, it just separated, which caused the housing to slide rather than the cable to slide under the hood. For better access to get the cable in and out, you can also pop this coin holder up. Just requires a little pushing from underneath. I found out by accident. I'm not pushing on it right there, like that. It gives you the space I needed to get that cable up right here, because you'll never get that up high enough and in and out to get the clearance if you don't pop that piece up. But it just snaps up real easy, snaps back down just as easy. So it's kind of handy. Alright, here we are with the console shift bezel removed. The reason I was going in here was for my shift cable, which broke just past the shifter here in an accident. So I needed just to verify that my shifter was functioning as it should be, which it was. It would move the cable back and forth on the end here, but it wasn't doing enough under the hood because the cable housing had broken and separated. So